As far as we know, yes, the commissioner does issue the blaster's license, but where the blasting is going to take place has nothing to do with the police department. And yes, the officer in command in St. Ignacio was informed of the blasting, hence police were on the scene at the time when the incident occurred.
Mining unit gave no license. Is that something that you all are looking into as a violation, or how would that, would they have to make a complaint to you, or what would it be?
Well, when the incident occurred, there was a multi-agency investigative approach to the incident, and that is still ongoing. That includes members of the police department, members of the BDF, members of the Department of Environment, the mining unit, as well as the Ministry of Works, who are a part of the investigative team on the ground doing this investigation.